Welcome back to another video of Generation Old School, the channel dedicated to the American classic cars from the 1950s. We celebrate the 1950s like no other channel on YouTube. If it is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William, and today I would like to introduce you guys to my 1955 Chevy Belair, a beautiful car that we would like to sell it. So if there's anybody watching this video that could be interested in this car, stay to the end of the channel or stay to the end of the video, because I'm going to show you the car all around, inside, outside, the engine, underneath, inside the trunk, and lastly, we're going to take it for a ride. Also, I'm going to be giving you my phone number in case you want to call me if you're interested in this beautiful 1955 Chevy Belair. As you can see, beautiful color combination, green and white. I love green cars, and I think green and white is a very classic color combination for a 1955 Chevy Belair. Back in the 50s, this was the first Chevy vehicle, Chevy car. There's so many bugs, man. It's love bug season, and they're driving me crazy, especially here where I come to film these videos. As you can see, there's a lot of trees, so there's a lot of bugs, and it's been a very annoying video to film. So the 55 Chevy Belair was the first Chevy model to offer to the American population and to the rest of the world the V8 engine, the famous smart block 265. Before that, Chevy only had the 216 and the 235 engine. This one has been upgraded. This car has a lot of very good options that I'm going to show you one by one, starting with the engine compartment. So this car doesn't have no longer the V8 smart block 265 engine. As you can see on your phone, on your TV, on your computer, this is a newer smart block, and it's a 305 engine. Much more powerful, much better, a lot of torque. It is equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor. This car also has air conditioning, power steering, a modern alternator, and also front disc brakes with a brake booster for better stopping, better performance, better driving. It has front disc brakes in the front and drum brakes in the rear, and it stops like a Porsche. As soon as you touch the brake pedal, it's going to stop you. The front headlights have been converted to HIDs, so at night it illuminates the street like if it is daytime. The front bumper has that beautiful corner guards, very representative of the 1950s, adding that extra layer of protection to the bumper and obviously the front fender, as well as the rear quarter panel and the rear bumper. Dual exhaust, the beautiful 1955 Chevy Belair. Taillights. This was an accessory. This is called the gas guard. Pretty much so that when you're putting gas, you could rest the fuel pump on right here, and you're not going to scratch the paint. Very nice accessory. White wall tires, original 1955 rims and hubcaps. You have the ring guard all around the car. This is so that you can protect the paint, and if you get rings like myself or the ladies, once you open the door, you will not scratch the paint with the ring. So that is called a ring guard. You also have the rain gutters. So if it is raining or you get caught up in the rain and you don't want to turn on the air conditioning, you can lower the windows a little bit. That way air can go through the inside of the car, but water is not going to go inside the car. These are the door panels. Front and back are in very good conditions. Same thing with the glass. All around the car goes up and down, and it is like new. And as you can see, it is tinted. It's tinted in green. Looks very nice. The bottom of the doors, as you can see, it's in excellent conditions, as well as on the carriage. Very, very clean. Let me know what you guys think. Super, super clean on the carriage. Automatic. Something good that has been added to the car. It's a 700 R4 automatic transmission. For those of you guys that don't know, it is a more modern transmission used in the early 2000s by Chevy. The Tahoes, the Silverados, the GMC Sierras, they came with a 5.3 liter V8 and a 700 R4 automatic transmission. There's many companies out there that sell a kit so that you can match an older engine, like this 305 engine, to a more modern automatic transmission. And this is the case on this car. So this car cruises with very low RPMs, and it has overdrive as well. Usually these cars came from factory equipped with a 265 engine and a Power Glide 2-speed automatic transmission. But then again, this one has been upgraded. The car shows 96,000 original miles. You have the beautiful original 1955 Chevy Belair instrument panel. This right here is a backup camera. When you turn on the car and you put reverse, you're able to see what you have behind you. Very nice feature. The radio has been converted to a more modern radio, AM, FM, and also you can connect your phone and listen to music on your phone. And over there you have your clock, and behind the clock, the original radio speaker. Speakers have been added to the kick panels here on the passenger side too, and also in the back deck. That's how the back seat looks. This is how the front seat looks, and this is how the headliner looks. I'm not gonna make you guys wait any longer. If you're still watching this video and you want to give me a call, my number is 305-783-0755. Call me. I'll tell you the price of the car. We could do a video call so that I can show you anything else that you might want to see. And if you're interested in buying the car, by all means, we can make a deal. And I can help you with transportation, shipping, anywhere in the United States. Let me go ahead and show you guys the trunk before I turn on the engine and before we go for a drive. It only has one key. So with this key, you're able to open the trunk, the doors, and the ignition. So if you lose the key, we are screwed because that's the only key that I have. Take a look at the trunk. Spare tire with the original rim in the original position. Very nice upholstery and very nice trunk lid. Very, very nice car. Dual exhaust. And this is how the bottom of the car looks. That's the backup camera that I was telling you guys earlier. And that's how the back of the car looks underneath. Dual exhaust, gas tank, spare tire, compartment there. No rust at all. Very, very nice car. This is a Texas vehicle. So as you can expect, very dry state, and the car speaks by itself. Let's go ahead and run the engine. The car has an electric fuel pump, so as soon as you open the ignition key, you have gas flowing through the gas lines to the carburetor. And it also has a regulator for the gas right there. You have a fuel filter right before the carburetor. Your 12-volt alternator like I showed you earlier. AC compressor, brake booster, electric windshield wipers. Very, very nice car. Horns, radiator with the condenser in the front. I mean, if you're looking for a car to be able to take it anywhere, take it to car shows, cruise around town with your wife or your family, and not being worried about if you're going to be stranded, this is a good car. Obviously, anything can happen to an old car, but the way that this car has been built and driven by the previous family that had it, I highly doubt that something is going to happen. Very, very nice car. All right, now let's go ahead and close the hood and hop inside the car so that we can take it for a ride. Once again, my name is William. If you enjoy videos of classic cars from the 1950s, I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Don't leave this video without subscribing to the channel. It's totally free, and you could click subscribe right below this video. All right, guys, and with the car turned on and the AC in the coldest position, because it is extremely hot in Miami, we're cruising in the 55 Chevy Belair. Everything works on the dash. Temperature, gas gauge, speedometer. It's a very, very solid car. One thing that the car may need is a steering wheel alignment, because when you drive it, the steering wheel is a little bit crooked. Let me make this right turn and you guys will see what I mean. There you have it. So it needs an alignment. It is pulling a little bit to the right. And also the steering wheel needs to be centered. Other than that, anything else that you want to do to the car is totally up to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Once again, the sun is blinding me. Let me turn. That way I'm not facing the sun and closing my eyes on oncoming traffic. Hope you enjoyed this video. I would like to see you all subscribing to the channel and give me a call. 305-783-0755. I promise you I'm not going to be asking a lot of money for the car. I'm going to be pricing the car at a very affordable price. That way anybody looking for a classic car can buy it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and God bless you all.